First ball, last shot. Easy to punch ba? No good. Rebound by number 10. Steal by number 8.
Go, Clark!
CCL winning the ball.
Go,
Pass the
Mactoy!
ball. It's a jump ball.
Already?
27 on the middle, teardrop, it's good! 8 dribbling the ball. It's down. Number 8, holding foul. First team foul, first personal foul. It's the same ball. Number 2. Rebound by number 23. The ball. Going to the basket. Yes, yes sir! Number 22 points. Yeah, by number 23. 2 points only, 2 points. First jumper, good, rebound by number 23. That by number 2, Palo, no good, rebound by number 8. It's 0 pass to number 2. Still, no, almost still. Long pass, number 23. Number 27, number 21, short. Rebound by number 10. Return, good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, short. Put back by number 23. No. It's a 3 seconds.
Bro, they did score!
Time out! Last one. Ten seconds, easy. Short jumper, no good. 8, number 8. 9, going to the basket. No good. Easy by number 10. Number 2, moving the ball. Number 23. No good. Put back by number 27. Number 9, no good. Foul. Pushing ball. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Number 2 add 7-7. So foul, hot foul. Number 23, foul. Four minutes and 50. Good drop. Good. 2-6. Favor of Utah. Again, 7. Foul is counted. Number 11. Basket count. First personal foul. First team foul.
Agama. What?
Violation. Seven. Basket number 11. It's good. Number 8. Ball out of bounds. Pass, good. 7, short jumper, good. Put back, it's good. One down. Pass to number 7, pass to number 8. Good. Short jumper, good. 20, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. 2 points by number 22. The ball. The foul. Number 8, Hawk. Timeout. Timeout. Utah. Foul. Basket. Number 10. Basket count. N1. Yes, number 10. Second personal foul. Warning for Shell. Shot by number 22. Set number, good. Rebound by number 76. Net issue. Still by number 27. Fourteen issue. At the middle, third number, no. Kick out to number 8, rebound attempt, no good. 50 seconds. Ball out of bounds. 40 seconds.
Oh man.
Number 27, dribbling the ball. 30 seconds. 40 to shoot. 2.
Mig!
10 seconds. It's a death time of the game. 10 seconds. 5. 1 point lead by Utah. No time. Official score 11-12 in favor of Utah.
Ha! Let's go, Migs!
Hot shot. Last hot shot. Yes sir, yes sir. Next ball possession, Utah. So now, blocking ball, 23.
Sick of...
It's 2 seconds. Second round. It's good. First leg lang ang tingin. Okay.
Ah! Nice one!
Easy layup, 120. Queen's favor, 14-12.
What the hell is happening?
11-7. Easy layup. Good back number 8. It's good.
Oh
Wait.
man.
Alright, time out. Time out. Neutral.
Oh, the girl is there.
Number 12. Number 9. Number 24. Good, good luck by number 8. Number 77. Good. Easy. September, it's good by shoot.
Oh, bro, why you just dancing?
Taking the ball, pass to number 4. Foul. 2 shots. Number 8, Third personal foul, 13.
Okay.
Good back by number 77. It's same ball. 14 to shoot. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Fisher score 20 in favor of last shot. Ball out of bounds. Timeout. Last shot. Fisher score 2016 in favor of last shot. Time remaining 4 minutes and 46 seconds. 2016. Time to shoot. Ball out of bounds. Newton. Player out of bounds. Last shot. 24, he dropped. No good. Rebound by number 23. Oh, still by number 23 also. 2 points. So jumper by number 6 is good. Number 6. So foul, number 6. First personal foul. Warning. Warning for Grove. Number 6 foul. Okay, sir. Second round. It's good. Time left, 15 seconds. Defense score 24. Okay, next, from jumper. Good. Rebound to number 77. By number 20. Rebound by number 23. Still by number 10. By 23. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by number 6. 2 minutes of 30. Ball out of bounds. Last 2 minutes. Second quarter. Goodbye. Yun ang nakapit for the back is good by number 24. 20-18. 10-20 by Lasa. Is Lasa ball. Good job, it's good.
Oh, it's so petite.
50 seconds. Easy 2 points. Seconds. For the second quarter. It's ball out of bounds.
No, it's 8.
15 seconds.
You're watching it? Yes.
Oh, no more time. End of the second quarter period of the game.
Okay.
We shall score 32-18. Favor of last round.
Oh, McFly!
Okay. What a shot by number 20.
Victoria, don't make bad words. And don't do this. They can see you in the live.
Take the shoot.
My mom wants. Your mom is here.
It's ball out of bounds again. It's ball out of bounds again. Lesson. Visual score 34-22. Time left 8 minutes. It's ball out of bounds. First personal foul, personal. It's a line violation. It's a line violation. Competition. It's 17 to go. One pass. 2 points by number 22. Result score 35-24. 16-30. Foul number 55 happened.
Look, bro, my socks is not the same. I took the wrong one.
Subdivision. Let's go. By two. Oh, shot clock. 3 seconds. Remaining. Other ones. Two. Number 1, 2. Foul is number 11. Second personal foul. First team foul. Other balls. Twenty-nine, 25.
First personal foul, second team foul. All the balls. Number 4, first personal foul, third team foul. On the balls. Number 4, number 11 foul. Number 11, third personal foul, 1 point penalty.
Go, Clark!
45 seconds. Forty seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. The shot clock is signing off. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.
Clark, move! Ay!
Second personal foul, first team foul.
What happened to mid shorts? Why is it so low? Oh!
3 points. Forty-four, 31. Keep that. Good. Okay. Go to the basket. Pop. No good. It's a good number 77. It's good. 46-33. Oh, still. The 23. Rebound attempt. It's good. 49-30. 2 minutes. Number 27. 8 minutes. Time remaining. Line violation.
I was gonna get hit.
14 to 0.
Oh wow, what the heck?
Get the ball, Tiga,
The hit, straight
33-30. But still, pass to number 8.
Next! Ay, nako, Mick. Uy! Ha! Hi!
Foul. 27. Timeout, ref. Timeout. Timeout. Newcomb. 2 shots. First try by number 20. That's right, it's good. Second try. It's good. 2 55-35. Still by number 2. Going to Miguel, pass to number 24, put back by number 2, no good. Rebound by number 23. Still by good, rebound by number 9. Still again by number 24. Put back by number 23. No good. Another put back. No good. Then you shoot. People natin by number 20 short, followed by number 20. Good by number 27. Fifty-five, 37. Rebound by 10. Good. Rebound by number.
Oh man.
It's kick ball set. Substitution rep. Substitution rep. Substitution. No, sab okay. Ready. Good. We're in. Continue moving over 11. Number 23. Put back. No. Good for 5-8. No good. Last 5 minutes. Take the number 27. Number 27. Good back.
What the heck?
Pass break play sa number 23. Substitution rep. No.
Why is he tripping? Why is he tripping by himself?
No substitution rep. No substitution, not the lab. It's a dead ball. It's a dead ball. It's a dead, not a dead ball. No sub, it's a counted. Go back. So foul, blocking. 27. Substitution rep. Three minutes and 54. Second drive. Time out, ref. Time out. Three, 30. Time out. Last one. Time remaining 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
What?
72. Last 3 minutes. 10 to shoot. It's 9 violation. Forty to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5. Two points, 24. 59-30. Ten to shoot. Good job, good. Last 2 minutes.
Wow!
14 to shoot. Good. Good back. Foul. Number 20. 4 foul. First team foul, second personal foul. First personal foul, second team foul. First try. Scoop. Second try. Good. Good. Number 24. Pass to number 6. Good. 1 and 17. One minute and 10 seconds. One minute. 10 to shoot. It's foul. 23 pitching foul. Time 54 seconds.
Who's that? Wow! Clark, best player. Go, Makoy! Makoy, oh! Makoy!
10 seconds. Time out, ref. Time out!
Go ask Kuya Dero.
9 seconds. 8, 7. Okay, end of the ball game.
I have to